Respectful dear family members, my pranams to you. Our Upanishads give us the guidance how to talk, what to talk, when to talk, why to talk, who are you to talk, to whom to talk, and how to talk. 6 W and 1 H. Why, what, when, where, who, whom, how. Vangme manasi pratishtita. Remember that your words are coming from your mind. Manome vaji pratishtitam. Your mind can be analyzed by listening to the words. So let your words be avirma yedhi vedasya anistaha shrutam me ma prahasiranena ahoratran sandadami. Whatever you have learnt from day and night efforts, let this knowledge guide you whenever you are talking with others. Let your mind be complementary with your words and words be complementary with your mind. Let us talk sweet words as much as possible. But criticism is not bitter. It's needed like surgery. So never be a coward in criticizing others if somebody has done negative. It's our dharma to correct those who are doing negative. Next line from Bhagavad Gita. Dukkheshu anudvignamana sukheshu vigataspраha. Never get over depressed whenever you are experiencing negatives in the life. Never get over excited whenever you are facing the positives in your life. Dukkheshu anudvignamana sukheshu vigataspраha. Whenever you are worrying, don't get over depressed, because negatives are not permanent in the life. Sukheshu vigataspраha. Positives are also not permanent in the life. If a beginning is there, an end is also there for everything, whether it is happiness or sorrow. Next, in Kerala you can see that many Communist Party members, Students Federation of India, Communist Students Union, DYFI, Youth Union, they have never read in their life what is meant by Das Kapital. They have never read Dialectical Materialism. They have never read the Communist Manifesto. So the mind is empty. Automatically the mind is empty because they have not learned anything. Generally in the colleges also, very rarely they used to sit in the classroom and learn. No martyr's son has become the minister. No minister's son has become the martyr. Now their mind is empty, their vision is empty. So whenever Ramayana month and importance of Bhagavad Gita, they start listening, they are drifting towards Ramayana, drifting towards Bhagavata and so on. Many Communist Party members, they act as though they are atheists, but their children living in a luxurious life and house, they are powerfully believers of Hindu Dharma and they are moving towards powerful Hinduism. Next point, one lady, Sushma Joshi, has told, America is a Christian land. Why you are forgetting about your Hinduism and your heritage and coming to America for making money from the Christian people, Christian land? The lady who commented to her, I would like to say, in Kerala, the Kerala Christians are grabbing the mountain land, forest land, roadside land, grabbing the money in the name of poor people and building billions of dollars worth churches and seminaries, and even sexually living a glorious, negatively glorious life by the priests of Christians. I never think that when Kerala Christians has grabbed America also. So it is not Kerala Christians' property. That is America. America is not Kerala Christians' property. There everybody is working. 99% of the American Christians has given up the Christianity. They are coming to Hindu Dharma. Either towards Mata Amritanandamayi or towards Sri Satya Sai Baba or towards Art of Living or Brahma Kumaris or Swami Narayana movement or Chinmaya Mission movement and so on. So America is an open land where anybody can go there and work and make money. It is not the property of Kerala Christians. You know, CBSE, a church bishop, South India, Catholic bishops, secretary Mr. Matthew, when the great horrible earthquake took place in Gujarat, then Bush government gave $10 million to Gujarat government for the rescue work. Kerala Christians and their secretary influenced indirectly and directly the White House officers and informed that if the money is given to Gujarat government, during then Gujarat's chief minister was Sri Narendra Modi, the money should not be given, and he prevented the money coming from White House to Gujarat. That every Hindu should know, every Christian also should know. Anyway, Hindus are going to America for serving America as the Karma Bhumi, even though Bharatam is their Matra Bhumi. They work for America as top doctors and engineers. Very few are working as nurses, and nursing job is not bad, but they are working and contributing to America. Then only they are making money. Sushma Jose need not worry too much about American government, because American government is not guided by Sushma Jose. Next point, again, the changes in the comrades of Kerala. Majority of the CPM leaders started going to Sabarimala. They started reading the Ramayana. They started quoting from Bhagavad Gita. They started offering to the temples. And remember, they started doing the Shatru Samhara Yajna. They started doing the Ganapati Havan in the cooperative hospital belonging to CPM. And remember that they are all changing. Religion is the opium that destroys the human being, was the wordings told by the CPM. Now, dialectical opportunism and cheating policy, Adavanayam. Adavanayam in Malayalam, if translated, cheating policy. That is being accepted. For appeasing Christians, they do something. For appeasing Muslims, they do something. But day and night talk about secularism. Day and night talk about secularism. They work against America, and Kerala Chief Minister has gone to America and spent about 2 weeks there. He was once blaming American government that Kerala CPM-led ministry is being pulled down by American government. An ant is being treated by an elephant. But now he went there for about 12-14 days and enjoyed capitalism and came back after taking a memento, which his people said an award. But Kerala people eating rice could understand what is an award, what is a memento. Next point, Samuel Kudal, a Christian reformist. He said that when Saint Francis Xavier, who has been declared as a saint by Christian community, by the papal authority in Rome, 59,000 Hindus were butchered, killed in the Goa Inquisition by this murderer, Saint Francis Xavier. And now in Kerala you can see many Christians or Christian name holders are coming forward and breaking the chain of churchianity. They are fighting against the Christian autocracy and Christian iron fist. And Christians started liberating themselves in Kerala. Due to the dozens of sexual abuse done by the church priest towards nuns and others, and the money grabbing done by the church authorities, the crooked way, selling Jesus Christ, selling the Bible in the name of conversion, and for saving the sinners from sin to heaven or hell to heaven. Remember that. Next point, how the king should rule the nation. Striyascha apurusha margam sarvabharana bhushidam nirbhaya pratibhadyante tadarakshati bhumipa. A lady with full ornaments in the neck, without the support of a man, if she can walk through the roads in day and night without any problem for her, then we can say the ruler is great. A ruler will become great when and only when a woman, a girl, a lady with full ornaments in the neck walks through the road day or night without the support of a man or husband or son. Striyascha apurusha margam sarvabharana bhushitam nirbhaya pratibhadyante tadarakshati bhumipa. What the nature always does, whenever the system in equilibrium is disturbed, the system will adjust itself in such a way that effect of the disturbance will be nullified. Whenever the system in equilibrium is disturbed, the God will adjust itself in such a way that effect of the disturbance will be nullified. The God will adjust. That is what the Christians say and the Muslims say. But what the Hindus say, the system will adjust itself in such a way that Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkrita dharma samsthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. As and when it requires, the system will adjust and the dharma will be consecrated without any problem. Dharma samsthapanam will be done through the dharmic people, not through the adharmic people. So, be a dharmic personality. Thank you very much. My pranams to you.